Hello guys, in this video we will start by giving us a few training on how we can trade Forex successfully, at least how we can make some good amount of money in Forex. Okay, so and I believe this training session will actually help us to get started easily. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill very well before you go fully into it with your real account. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can they do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, let me quickly say this. Okay, most of us wants to make millions of naira or probably dollar trading Forex, but the journey to making millions of dollars, it doesn't start suddenly. Okay, so it starts in a day. Okay, you start gradually. The most important thing is having the basic knowledge of Forex, have the unique strategy that works for you, and of course have the right trading tools that can help you to implement that strategy easily. Okay, so if you are able to make consistent profits, okay, it can be $10 per day, it can be $20 per day, it can be $50 per day, it can be $100 per day, it can even be $1,000 per day. Just make sure you are making profits on daily basis. Okay, so that is one major thing about Forex. Okay, and that is the only thing that can put your spirits up so that you can be happy to trade on daily basis. If you keep on losing your money, then you will be discouraged trading Forex. Okay, so it's not about the amount of profit you are making at the beginning, it's more about the consistency. Okay, how consistent are you in making this amount of money on daily basis? That is what you should focus on. Okay, and of course that is why I always tell you, you should be able to do your analysis easily and make some good profit right from there. So quickly, let's use this as an example. Okay, this is a crypto trading tool. This is a trading tool, a Forex trading tool, and of course it works for all the assets. It also works for crypto assets also. Okay, so you can use it to trade both fiat currency and synthetic indices. So personally, I've been using it more on synthetic indices because there is no break at all. So I can trade 247 on this particular platform, and of course you two can also do the same thing. So the first thing you should know is, or you should be able to do, is to identify your trend. Okay, and that is why you need a good trading tool to do this. Here is a good trading tool. It is already giving us an uptrend right from the beginning. You can see the green dotted line, those are uptrend. Okay, and of course the next thing you should also know is your support and resistance zone. So you can see that the dotted line are forming horizontal lines. Okay, so it shows that the market is forming support zone at that particular point. Okay, the green ones are forming support zone while the red ones are forming resistance zone. So then right here we can also get our entry point signal. So the green shaped, diamond shape we are seeing on the chart is giving us a buy signal. Okay, so right from there, so this is a good one for us. If you are getting a buy signal right from here, make sure the signal is coming from the support zone when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so that is it. So we got a signal around there. Let's say we didn't come in immediately. Let's say we decide to come in somewhere around here. Okay, and there is one thing I've always been telling us. Okay, this particular strategy is so unique, and it has actually helped us to make thousands of dollars in less than 3 months towards the end of last year. Okay, and of course you too can also apply the same strategy. Just like you guys have known, I don't hold anything back. Okay, I love putting everything on the table so that we all benefit from it. Okay, so and that is what we will be doing right here. And of course, what we have been doing, that major thing that we are doing that most people don't even tell you about, is securing your business. Okay, make sure you secure your business, make sure you secure your partner capital. Trading platform is a platform that is meant to grow your business. It is your business. See it as a business. Okay, so the first thing you should do, you should think of when you place an order, is how you can secure your capital. So you should set a stop loss around here, securing your capital. At least if you are going to lose anything, it shouldn't be more than 1 to 2% of your capital. Okay, so that's so amazing. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So if we are losing this part of it, then of course then we are cool to go. Okay, so you can see this, it came down a bit, went back up again. Okay, so of course it didn't get to the stop loss, it kept on going up and up, and of course at this point it has gotten to this range. Okay, so at this point I expect you to readjust your stop loss, because you don't need it to secure your capital again, you now need it to secure your profit. So you moved your stop loss upward to about 40 to 50% of what the trader has given to you. At this point I put it at 40% because it still have more opportunity to trade. Okay, so this time around it came down a bit and of course went back up again till it got to this range. At this range I should be securing about 60% of my profit at that particular point. Okay, so if I'm securing 60% of my profit, it's going to be somewhere here. So at this stage it means that I am keeping more profit to myself right from there. This kept on going up and down, and this time around it went up. So it is, if you should notice, it is already approaching a resistance zone, a major one at that point. And of course all you just need to do is still to adjust your stop loss to about 80%, because you feel that the market or the trend is about coming to an end and we don't know if it will break out above the resistance zone or not. Okay, so now let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, so we can see this actually got to this region. It got to this region. So at this stage, if you don't want to close your full trade at that point, then you should lock up about 80% of your profit at that point. See, so you can see this, guys. So this is the profit you are keeping to yourself, the profit between here and here. Okay, that's so amazing, that's so amazing, and it's so beautiful. But check it out, this particular trade did not break out above the resistance zone, so it came down, and of course came down, and you can see it got to this region, and of course it's trying to go back into a downtrend. But do you know what, once it got to your stop loss, it will take you out of the market. Either it goes back into downtrend fully or not, it will take you out of the market. And at this stage you can see the profit that you are keeping to yourself, and this is 5-minute time frame. That's a lot, guys, that's a lot. So if you have not been making money at all trading forex, then you need to apply this strategy. You can get this trading tool. If you don't have the trading tool you are using, you can contact me to get this trading tool, and of course once you get the trading tool, you will be able to put it to use right from there. And of course you can see how much profit you can make. The trading tool will help you to analyze the market easily. Then with this strategy of managing your trading activities, then you will always be in profit all the time. This is the reason for winning. I mean, this is why we are winning within the Telegram channel back to back. Okay, you too can also do the same thing. There is no special thing right there. Okay, the first thing is you having the right trading tool. The second thing is you following the instruction. The third thing is you managing your business very well. Okay, so once you are able to put all these together, then we are good to go. Okay, you too can also do the same thing. My subscribers that are having this trading tool are able to generate their signals on their own without waiting for me again, and of course they are able to trade on their own because they know how to manage their business this time around. Okay, and they make more profit on daily basis. Like I've always been telling you, any strategy that will be giving you about 70% winning rate, then you are cool to go. I mean, you are cool with that. Okay, so if you are having 70% and above winning rate, then you are good. Okay, so this is so beautiful, and of course you can always be in profit all the time if you do this. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.